With illegal entries and exits threatening the prevention and control of the COVID-19 pandemic, soldiers across the country have strengthened efforts to control borders. The Ministry of Defense has asked border guards to install camera systems along border lines to monitor and detect illegal trespassing amid the COVID-19 outbreak. Since March 2020, border guards have apprehended 375 illegal immigrants. Criminal proceedings have been initiated against 11 cases. Border guards have strengthened inspection, maintained checkpoints, and mobilized teams to work around the clock.